guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, if you did not know that, and today I'm coming at you with this cute Valentine's Day look. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so firstly I'm going to start with my brows while my curling iron heats up. Going in with my Kat Von D brow pomade in the shade Taupe. Going in with my Anastasia brow pencil in the number 12. I'm going in with my Color Noir CN150 flat brush. Looks like this. The name is completely worn off and I don't know how. I left it on my vanity one day. I went to go pick it up and it stuck to my vanity. Don't know why, but you know, it's my favorite brush to carve out my brows with and cut my creases with. I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Slim Beige. I'm going in with a tad bit lighter concealer to also prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow so that it makes the colors pop. I'm going in with a Pixie brush. This is the E02 brush. I like to use this to blend out the concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna go over it with a Real Techniques beauty sponge to make sure it's all blended in. Going in with my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel in the shade Clear. And now it's time to get into the hair. This is the curling one that I will be using. I will put the brand name right here for you guys. I think it's Numi. I think that's how you say it. I'm totally not sure. I really like this curling iron. So to prep my hair, I'm going in with the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me Hair Perfector. It's a 10-in-1. So I'm gonna use this for the heat protection. Going in with the Not Your Mother's She's a Cheese hairspray. So to start with skincare first, I'm gonna go in with my Pixie Glow Mist to moisturize my skin. I'm gonna go in with this Pixie moisturizer. To moisturize my skin. Now I'm gonna go in with some primer with this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Palette I'm going in, this is the ColourPop She's a Rainbow palette. Looks like this whenever you open her up. But first, I'm going to add a little bit more concealer to my eyes to prime it. So first, I'm gonna go in with these stickers. I got them from Michael's. They cost me like $1.50. You don't have to do this step, but I'm gonna do it to be a little bit extra. And I'm gonna go in with the 2 smallest hearts. I'm gonna place them on my eye. So now I'm gonna go in with this red right here, pack it all on my eye. I'm gonna go in with this hot pink right here and blend out the harsh edges. Has no eyeshadow on it, so now I'm gonna use this brush to clean up those edges. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna use that Tarte concealer and I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna go back in with that hot pink shade and pack it all over. I'm gonna go back in with that dark red and blend out the harsh edges. And that is it for the eyes. So now we're gonna go back onto the base makeup. I'm gonna go in with this Pro Concealer by LA Girl in the shade Cool Pink and color correct under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Longwear Foundation in the shade 110 Porcelain. Now I'm gonna go back in with that Tarte Shape Tape and conceal under my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So now I'm gonna wipe off my bake with this brush I got off of Amazon. Does not have a number or a name. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Hotel bronzer. So now I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop blush in the shade Growth Flirt. For highlight, going in with the Rachel Loves Pixie highlight palette. I'm going in with the shade right here called Lace, my favorite shade ever. One swipe. One swipe. So I'm gonna go back in with this glow mist and melt in all the powders. With the lips, I'm going in with my Pop Beauty Permanent Pout in the shade Go Getter. So now I'm gonna go in with this MS Silky Eye Pencil by Pixie. Now I'm gonna go in with my Duo Lash Glue and my Lash Pop Lashes and Love Me Baby. The last step, we're gonna peel off the hearts, or you can leave them on. Just like that. And now you have two cute hearts on. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.